Welcome to Ecoholics. In this video we'll learn about the economic terms, the major economic terms. So in every video we'll discuss about one term, so you can follow the playlist section of these videos and you will find all these economic terms that you need any explanation. So first of all, in this video we'll learn about ability to pay tax principle. So ability to pay tax principle says that income tax should be paid on the basis of the ability of an individual in order to pay the tax. It means as your ability or as your income increases, your tax rate should also be increased in the proportion, or we can say as your income increases, tax rate should also go up. That is what we call ability to pay tax principle. It means the ability of an high income group people is more in comparison to the low income group people. Lot of government also accepts this principle in the real world situation. So in real world we are the most of the countries are following ability to pay principle. It means in order to redistribute income from the higher income group people to the lower income group people, this principle is very well understood. It is the contrary to the benefits received theory. That benefits received theory means whatever the income tax people are paying, they will also receive the similar kind of benefits from the tax paid. But in reality it is very difficult to calculate the benefits received from the amount of tax paid. So we can say tax is a compulsory payment and it should be according to the ability to pay tax. If I am earning more, I can pay more tax in comparison to the lower earning people. Hope you like this our initiative of introducing economic terms, because there is a lot of demand of these videos, like explain the economic terms in very simple manner. If you have any doubt, if you want to explain any other if you need any other explanation of terms of economic related to economic subject, you can also mention in the comment box. And please like, share and subscribe this channel. Hope you like it. Thank you.